प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं रत्नभूषण, a friend, motivator and guide to IAS aspirant. International motivational speaker, leadership trainer, CEO, coach, political strategist and policy advisor. Welcome to ASGIS. ASGIS believe in quality, commitment and success. We are discussing about General Studies Mains Paper 1998. Question is, what is remote sensing? What is remote sensing? What are its usage, especially in the Indian context? What is remote sensing? What are its usage, especially in the Indian context? Remote sensing is a technique for getting images and graphs without touching the object. Thus, to study the phenomena of object characteristic and remote sensing object can be studied and detected from a distant location. It is used by aircraft, balloons, helicopters, or satellites. For a country like India with rich natural resources, the technique, especially space-borne remote sensing, is useful in various ways. For proper agricultural planning, to increase yield per hectare and to bring more land under cultivation, reliable data and information is required. Remote sensing can furnish these details. Faulty irrigation and improper drainage system has led to water logging and degradation of fertility in India. By remote sensing, a wide area map can be prepared of the topography of a particular region to plan irrigation facility properly. Many a times a crop gets infected by diseases and pests which led to reduction in productivity. Reliable information can be provided by this technique and precautions can be taken. Estimate of production in a particular year can be prepared. Water resources under the earth can be detected to supply potable water. Natural resources of minerals can be detected and the information can be used to prepare planning for their use and exploitation. Oil and natural gas resources are found out by remote sensing. Floods and droughts can be forecasted. Preventive and curative measures are possible on the basis if such information. Management and planning of various resources of government will require detailed information and it can be derived through remote sensing. For atmosphere and oceanic forecasting, especially for monsoon or cyclonic condition, this technique is useful. Ocean resources, marine minerals are also detectable by it. Indian Remote Sensing Satellite IRS-1A. Indian Remote Sensing Satellite was launched by India in 1988 as a major step forward in this direction. Then a nationwide project, Remote Sensing Application Mission for Agricultural Application, was also initiated. Question number 2. What is genetic engineering? What is genetic engineering? Why is it getting increasingly important these days? Genetic engineering. Techniques used over genes to change their qualities according to needs are developed under a branch of science and called genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a science which deals with the genes and process upon them artificially. In the cells of one organism, DNA of another organism are transplanted to grow a new derived organism having combined and desired qualities of both parent organization. These techniques are researched and practiced in genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is getting importance because of its use in agriculture, medicine and animal husbandry. Agriculture, medicine and animal husbandry. In agriculture, new varieties of plants are being prepared in every crop to make them more nutritious and immune. Varieties of rice, wheat and other crops genetically modified are prepared to make them more productive, drought-proof, resistable to insect and pest. Some breeds of animals are also prepared by scientists using genetic engineering technologies that creates a new breed of animals which are more immune to diseases, capable of giving more milk, meat or wool. In medical field, viruses and bacteria are used with the transplanted genes to create desired types of hormones such as insulin, etc. This technique of creating and developing good type of biological substances even out of body in test tubes have helped repairing disorders of various types. Dr. Khurana had succeeded in creating DNA out of body using genetic engineering. Recently developed techniques of cloning is a new horizon of genetic engineering which paves the way for creating any tissue or organ or even the whole organism without sexual reproduction. And in laboratory, this is however disputed whether cloning should be used to develop human being or not. But it is surely disputed that capacity of creating tissue and organs has raised a hope to solve problems of various types created by diseases. Biotechnology has covered a large field with evolution of various techniques related to manipulation, manipulation and transportation of genes, manipulation and transportation of genes, manipulation and transportation of genes in and through genetic engineering, and hence it is gaining more and more prominent place among various sciences.